Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about the React routes, or we call it that also as a React router. Okay, so we are, as we continuing our React tutorial about building a website. So as you saw in previous video, we have created about the home page, about us page, and the contact us page, right? So and displayed the data with the help of app.js file. So guys, as you saw now, this was the output till now. So now I wanted to make a redirect URL thing. Okay, so when I click on home page, so we will set the URL. Okay, so guys, as you, for example, if we give slash, that time it should be home page, that which this page should load, and when we click on about us, about page, then about us should load, and the contact, if I click, the contact page should load. So guys, for that, let's get started. So guys, now we have to install a router. Okay, so let's go and type react router router. So once you click on this, you get a website where reactrouter.com specific website. So let me just open this, and you can use this also. So where you can see that npmjs.com, where you get all the packages of the npm. Okay, so I'll just show you. The command for installation is like npm install where react router. If you give this command, the router will install two things. One is the for the react router DOM, and one is for react router native, but we don't need this. We are not working on react native thing, right? So we will be using only react router DOM. So you can just copy this and start executing, just start this installation. So let's copy this, and now in this second step you are getting with this website, where let's click on web, and you will be quick start, where you can see that the installation command for react route over here. Okay, so let me just copy with that. Okay, let's copy, and now let's get back to VS Code, and then over here we will the npm is started. So let's close this. So guys, I have stopped the terminal and I have closed the terminal, and now guys, we will start the terminal inside this application VS Code only, and then we will give the command for it. So what you copied just now is this npm install react-router-dom. Okay, so you can just use with npm install react router dom and hit enter. You can install directly in your package. So before, we'll just go to JSON package. So you can see there is no react router DOM, right? Installation is completed. That time your react router DOM will be shown over here. So let's just wait for it, for the installation. So guys, finally it is installed now. Let me just make it little top, and I'll just show you what is the installation. So we just run this command, and now finally it has been installed with it and created. So guys, let me just minimize with this, and then guys, we are going to check in our package.json whether this is installed or not. So as you can see that here one extra line has been added, so a react router DOM which is added. So let's save this, and let me close this file. So package.json we have closed, and now guys, let's route it. So for that, we have to start the npm start. So let's give npm and start. Okay, start. Hit enter, and your serving will be started, and then we will be back to this page. Okay, so let's just wait for it to get started. So guys, it's starting the development server, means it is still loading. Okay, so let's just wait for it. So guys, now our npm is started. So as you can see, there's the localhost. So let us just go to our Google. Okay, so our pages is open now. Now what we have to do, guys, we have to set the route for it. Okay, so what is that route we are going to set is nothing but about shifting the things. So guys, we will copy one navbar and create for it. So let's go and finish it soon. So let's click on this search box and type navbar. So I have clicked on it, and if you scroll it below, where you can find the navbar. So let's copy this navbar. This is more fine. So let's copy and paste into the your pages. So as you, if you know that we have created in previous video about this, how to create pages in React.js. So let me click and create one new page called navbar.js. So let me just make that and let's save it over here. So before pasting your code, we have to import some things. So we can just copy from your home page. So let me just copy, Control A and Control V. Okay, so copy and paste, Control AC and V. So now we have to create that function called navbar, and we have to export this with the default navbar. Done. Over here you are going to change to your thing. Okay, so what is that thing? Is nothing but your navbar which you copied just now. So let me copy once again, and now we will paste it. So let me close this. And now guys, we have to set this. So before setting, you are getting some errors, right? So this div tag is missing something else. So which means only one error might be we are getting is nothing but about the closing tags. So the close tag is coming from where? So we don't require this form. Let me just remove this. So there is some missing about the / arrow. So as you can see that this HR tag is shown over here. So you can read that HR. So HR is over here, and now let us end this with the /. Okay, so you have to give / done. So the second error is about, okay, let me just think, and it's not a valid URL. So let's just remove this and give one / with that, and just ignore. So whatever is that, you can just change with it, as simple. So guys, we will be doing about this. So let's remove unwanted things, and we will include only the things we require. So let's remove, done, and we require 2, and over here also I'm going to give right now /. So guys, now let us include this navbar into your main page called app.js. So let's copy and paste this and make it to navbar, where you are going to import navbar. So if you're not understanding, please watch out the previous video how you're importing these files and calling into it. So as simple, where I have created this navbar, right? So it's going to that component folder, and then inc and navbar.js. So .js is not extended. So let me copy this and include over here. So let's copy this and copy the file name, not file name, the navbar code, and paste. And now let's execute this over here. So let us just refresh the page. Over here it's telling can't resolve. Okay, we have not given the correct path. So inside component inc folder, okay, inside inc we have set the navbar. Okay, so let's refresh again, where you can see a navbar now. So let's refresh. Cool. So navbar and home and link, it is shown over here. So guys, now let us set a link for it. So as you have installed your router, so guys, now let's start with that linking part. So import where route, not route directly, we have to include those things. So for open curly brace and close curly brace from your installed package. So what the package name is, nothing but React router -DOM. Okay, so this is the package, and what are the things you are going to use is that, so in this file navbar, I am going to use only the links of it. So let us just call link, and we are going to use this. So let's copy this, and if you want to like check how it is working, this link, then you have to go to your this React router. They have given what an example. So let's move with that. Okay, so let's copy this, and let me just get back to the code. And now instead of this tag, we have to paste it. So we are not going to use a tag, and we'll just take its class item, Control X, and paste the class into this link tag. That's it. So let's remove this a tag, and same thing you have to do with each one. So same. So let's copy this link tag and paste to the a tag. Okay, let me copy this and let's paste, and then change the navbar brand, Control X, and paste over this, and make it to Funda of Web IT. So this will be the brand, and here guys, I am going to use MS. So now yes, so guys, now let us copy this and create the about page. So let's paste that, and then again copy and make the third one, which is will be the contact us. So this one will be about us. Let's copy and paste, and we are going to make this as contact us. So let's create a route for it. So home page means it will be a default, and now is the about, about, and the third one which will be linked to contact. Okay, so guys, we need to remove this, so let me just remove this line. Done. So once it's done, now let us just refresh and see whether the error is there or nothing like that. So let's refresh. So we refresh the page, and okay, you should not use link outside a router. Okay, so you have to mention a router for it. So guys, how will you mention this? So let's get back and paste the router. So let's go to our app.js, and over here where you are fetching that, you have to set a router for it. So let us call the router open and router close. Okay, oops. So over here inside this you have called the router, so let's call the router over here. So what we have to do, just import where open curly and close curly from your React DOM. Let's call React router DOM. Okay, and inside this you have to call the browser one. So let's type browser router, as I am going to rename this as shortcut, so we'll known as router. Okay, and where you are going to set that one more thing. Okay, so first let us see with the router thing. So let me just cut and paste below this div tag. Okay, done. So it's included now inside it. So let's save this, and now let us refresh where you can be able to see. Let's refresh. It's so guys, the navbar is loaded now. So let me just click on home. So and let's click on about. So the URL has been changed to about, and let's click on contact. So it is changed to contact. Cool. So you can see that linking is working fine with it. So now what we have to do, we have to change this according to the pages. So if I click on home, that home page should show. If I click on about, the about page should show, and as well as for contact. So guys, let's set that. So first step, you have to use the route. Okay, so as simple, I'll just show you. Okay, so let's create a route, and now in this route we are going to call the path for it. So not router, we have to set a route. So this route, let's call the route over here. What is route? Okay, so in this route we are going to call the path of it. So let's type path is equal to double quotes, not single quotes, where / home. So inside this route you will set the home thing. Okay, so let me cut and paste inside it. Done. And now this navbar, make it at beginning over here. So let's just keep it at the beginning top, and same way guys, you have to replace with the other things too. So let's paste. Okay, and now let us copy the about and paste inside this, and let's copy the contact and paste inside this. And let me just remove these two things. Set. So we have set the path of the pages. So how will you set? With that same URL path you are going to use it. Okay, so over here about, and coming to the path of contact page where you will show contact. Done. And now let's see what's the result for it. So let's just refresh. Okay, so you can see that about page means it is showing about. So let me click on home. So home page, it's loading, and now if I click on about us is showing, and let me click on contact us, contact page is showing, right? But there is one problem, that home page is loading statically, right? So to make sure that exact path what you are loading, to load that page you have to use switch in React. So for that, let's change with that. So let's create a switch for it, switch. Let's open close, and now let me just cut this and paste at last of your route. So whatever the route you are using, make sure you are inside the route. So all your route should be inside your route. Okay, inside the switch. So let's copy this and define the switch over here. So from here you are getting the switch, okay, not from here to here, from here you are getting to here. Done. So now guys, what we have to do, if you are using switch, you have to call one exact path. So exact path will be for the /home, because this / is used everywhere. So for that sake we are using exact, okay. So exact thing will be called. So let's save, and yes guys, so let's load. So let's refresh on this page. Okay, I have refreshed now. Cool. So you can see that about us is about us URL, it's showing only about us page, and coming back to home page, so / which is home page. And now let's click on contact us. You can see the contact page. So these 3 pages has been loaded. So this is the concept of React router, okay, which is also called as routes. And yes guys, so in this video that's it, and let's see next video about how to design the home page with the images. So we'll be learning in next video. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.